Hi, Swore, and welcome back. Happy holiday. So I'm giving away my book. If you are 20, this is not for you, but if you're 15 and younger, if you can recognize what I have here in my hand, take a look. You just have to recognize once and see what is the name and what it does. If you can recognize and know what it is, and I will send you my book for free. And because I think this one it went away a long time ago. So if you are younger, you don't even know what it is, and just let me know, and I will send it to you. Just send me your email, and I'll be able to talk to you if you know what it is. So let's take a look again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So tell me what it is, and you have to be 15 or younger than that. If you're 20, you may know what it is. So you have to be younger to take this test. Thank you, and you have a holiday. Have a good holiday.